This is a complete Korean-style fighter KF-21 that has completed the assembly and painting of all equipment, including the prototype engine number 1 with KF-21001 clearly stamped on the tail wing. Director of Korea Aerospace Industries Business Management Office, engine is in use. We plan to check that all the KF-21's devices are working properly and, if there is no problem, we will start a low speed. If both tests pass, a test flight that will determine the success or failure of development in July plunge into. It plans to fly over 2,000 times over 4 years to catch various defects. KF-21 designs. A special design was engraved on each tail wing. The red and white eagle head pattern, the golden arrow pattern on a black background, the tail and wing patterns of the 6 prototypes are all different. And the color of the body is also slightly different. After confirming the performance of the KF-21's I and ASA radars on the ground test equipment, aircraft installation tests will begin in the first half of the year. From 2026, 120 KF-21s will be delivered to the ROK Air Force in turn. If the KF-21 for Korean-type carrier aircraft is developed properly, it is expected that exports of 300 or more will gain momentum.